Welcome to Tech Mantra. Java tutorial number 1.
Hi guys, I am Vishal and today we are going to learn a simple Java tutorial in which we see how to setting up the environmental variable path in Java. So most of the time what happens when we compile the Java program with the command as javac, then we got a problem statement like Java is not recognized as an internal or external command. So to solve that issue, so we are going to start with our tutorial. So let's start. So before moving ahead, we have to check the Java is installed or not. So for that we open the command prompt and then type java space hyphen version and hit on enter. So guys, here it shows the Java is already installed, and if the Java is not installed on your system, then you have to install it. After that we again check the command javac, then it again shows that same problem, the Java is not recognized as the internal or external command. So to solve the issue, click on my computer, then go to C drive, then programming files, then go to Java. Then guys, you can see here there are the two folders as a JDK and JRE are separate two folders that are automatically created when we install Java. Then click on bin. You have seen here the Java is present. Then copy the entire path and then close the window. Then open the control panel, then go to the system, then click on advanced system setting, then click on the environmental variable. So guys, here you can see there are two variables as a user variable and a system variable. So we have to make the changes in both the variables. So first of all, click on the path, then click on the edit. Then guys, here we have to paste the path which we have already copied. So we have to check that the semicolon is already present there or not. If it is already present, then there is no need to give it again. And after pasting the path, put a semicolon at the end. Then go to system variable, then go to path, then again same process, paste the path and put a semicolon at the end of that path. Then click on OK, then again click on OK, then click on OK and close that window. And then we have to check that the path is set or not. Then we again open the command prompt and then type javac. Then here it shows all the files related to Java, that shows the Java is recognized now. So close the command prompt and open a notepad and type class A opening bracket and closing bracket. Then write public static void main and open and write string open close bracket, then args. Then again open a bracket and write system dot out dot print l, that we write from main method and put a semicolon after that. And after we save the program as a same class name, click on save as, and then we write a capital A as a class name dot java and select all files and then save. Then minimize the window and again open the command prompt and write the path of that file. Then we write cd desktop, hit on enter, then the path is selected. Then after that we write javac space class name as a dot java and hit on enter. Then we can see there are no errors in that program, so we directly run it. So for run java space a, and here the output shows from main method as shown in the program. So guys, if you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.
If you found the video helpful, then please do like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching Tech Mantra.